In this video, we are going to talk about some of the things that can lead to stagnation and poverty in our lives that you should immediately remove from your home. There may be times in our lives when we feel stuck, unable to achieve our goals, or our dreams are always one step away. But there are ways out of this vicious circle. Today, I will share important information that will breathe new life into your life, renew your energy, and help you make the changes you desire. You will see how effective this information can be in improving your quality of life. Therefore, it is very important that you pay attention to the information I will share in the video. You can also contribute to this valuable information reaching a wider audience by liking our video and sharing it with your loved ones. In this way, we can help more people benefit and live a better life. Have you ever thought that every object in your home emits energy and how this energy can affect your life? Energy plays a big role in life, and the objects around us can influence the flow of our lives as much as our thoughts and emotions. If you are feeling congested and negative in your life, this is probably due to some things in your home that are lowering your energy. I will guide you to take steps to increase your energy and bring abundance and peace into your life. Remember, every step you take to transform your life will lead you to a better future. 1. Clothes you don't wear. Clothes carry and reflect not only our bodies but also energies. Clothes in your wardrobe that you no longer wear carry the energy of the past and can pull you back. We change, grow, and evolve over time. With this change, our energy also changes, and some clothes may not be compatible with us. Clean your closet and leave only the clothes that make you happy and give you self-confidence. Release this energy by donating the clothes you no longer wear and allow new energies to enter your life. This is the first step in making a new beginning, both physically and spiritually. Also, when you say goodbye to your clothes, remember to thank them. This is a way to release their energy and allow new positive energies to enter your life. 2. Broken items. Your home is your personal temple, and each item affects the energy of this sacred space. Broken and unused items can pull you down by emitting negative energy. Saying goodbye to these items will bring a new flow of energy into your life. Items such as cracked vases or broken mirrors can create negative vibrations in your home, which can affect your overall well-being. Dispose of broken objects responsibly and thank them for their service. When you leave with gratitude, you make room for new energies to enter your living space. Support the flow of your energy and increase your well-being by keeping your home tidy. By releasing the energy of broken objects, allow more positive energy to flow into your living space. This simple but effective step will make your home more peaceful. 3. Dirty or worn shoes. Shoes are not only a physical necessity, but also an important symbol that carries energy. They carry you on your life journey and affect your energy. Dirty and worn out shoes can cause your energy to become blocked and hinder your journey. By keeping your shoes clean and well-maintained, you provide the energy that will help you overcome the obstacles that may come your way on your journey. If your shoes are beyond repair, replace them for a fresh start and step into a future filled with new energies. Cleaning and caring for your shoes every day is a simple but effective way to attract positive energy into your life. By cleaning your shoes regularly, you will take care of yourself both physically and energetically. 4. Items belonging to people who are no longer with you. Things from the past can carry emotional baggage and lower your energy. If someone is no longer in your life, holding on to their belongings can keep you attached to the past, which can prevent new energies and opportunities from coming into your life. Release these items and step into the future by releasing the energies of the past. This does not mean that you forget the memories of what you have lost. On the contrary, it helps you to remember them in a healthier way. Saying goodbye to these items allows you to open new pages in your life and offers you a lighter life. It also gives you the opportunity to break your ties with the past in a healthy way. 5. Clutter. Clutter in your home prevents energy from flowing freely. Keeping your living space tidy and clean increases the flow of your energy and makes your home a peaceful place. By reducing clutter, allow the energy in your home to circulate more freely. Open windows to let in fresh air and sunlight. Start each morning by making your bed and giving thanks for your life. This means not only physical order, but also the organization of your energy. By keeping your home tidy, bring peace and balance to your life. These simple habits will energize your home and make your living space more enjoyable. Once you start implementing these steps, you will feel a significant change in your life. You will see how your energy increases and how things get back on track. Allow your life to transform and witness how these miracles happen. In this process, you will breathe new life into your life by clearing your own energy and organizing your home. You will experience a significant change in your relationship with yourself and your environment, and you will live a more positive life. Finally, if you found this information useful, like our video and share your thoughts with us by commenting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, keep learning more about the philosophy of Buddhism. Thank you very much for watching.